guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I have a little baby in my hands and she's a little fussy right now, but I just have not had any time to film and I just gotta take what I can get right now, even if she's kind of a little whiny. She's she's so funny. Like recently she's going through this little phase where she will not go to sleep for her naps during the day unless I like rock her to sleep. And then as soon as I lay her down, she wakes back up. So she's gonna be in my arms for a little bit because I just can't get her to lay down for her nap right now. So anyway, today's video, we are going to be doing a finale on a project pan that I've been working on. This is my skincare project pan. It's a rolling project. So I started out with 10 products in this project and it has grown quite a bit, and I am ending this project now. So originally I had set an end date for when we moved, and then I decided to go ahead and extend it through when the kids start school. Well, they are starting school in a couple days, so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to sit down, film this video, and end this project pan. I'm actually really proud of what I did get done, so I'm excited to show you guys where I'm at. Alright, so you are so pretty. You are so pretty. So, Amelia's talking to me. Are you talking? Really? So, in case you missed my last update, I'm gonna recap first the products that were already completed as of my last update, which was, I can't remember now. I think it was like a week after she was born. So it's been a while since my last update. So I'll just show you guys all the products that were already done. First thing is this moisturizer from Fresh. It's the Vitamin Nectar face cream. I love this so much. This has become my favorite facial moisturizer. I'm definitely gonna repurchase this. I'm just waiting to use up some of the other moisturizers in my collection because as you guys know, I have way too much skincare right now and I really don't want things to go bad. So I won't be buying it right away, but this is something I will repurchase in the future for sure. I really, really love it. I love the way that it smells, but I also really like how hydrating it is. So if you have dry to normal skin, I highly recommend it. All right, the second thing that I had already finished off is from Sol de Janeiro. It's the Coco Cabana cream. This I don't like. I would not recommend it. I honestly had to kind of force myself to get through it and I barely did. I almost gave up on it. I don't like the, it leaves like a sticky film on your skin. I really don't like that, but it also, the scent, it's like a synthetic coconut scent, which I didn't mind at first, but the more I used it, the more I got really sick of it because it was just so sweet. It was like overly sweet. So anyway, I'm happy I used that. The next thing that I had already completed is this Body Shop Kisna Aftershave Balm. I used this on my legs after I shaved. Unfortunately, it's discontinued, but I did really enjoy it. All right, the next thing that I had finished off is from Drunk Elephant. It's the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I really liked this moisturizer as well. This one I would say is better for dry skin, but I really did like it and I didn't have a hard time using that up. I also had a little trial size of the Drunk Elephant Marula oil. I don't know what happened to that. I think I lost it, but it was emptied before the last update as well. And the last thing that was already completed before this update was the Camille Beckman Cleansing Gel, the Rose Water Scent. This was easy to use up for me as well because I really like the formula on these. All right, so that's everything I finished up before this update. Now I'll show you guys what I was able to complete since then. So I did finish off this little deluxe sample size of the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation. I knew this would not be hard for me to use because I've gone through so many full sizes of this. It's one of my favorite facial moisturizers. I think it's great for all skin types and even for sensitive skin. It's a very, just like a very basic but really good moisturizer. So that was easy to use up. And then I did also finish off this here from Korres. It's the Golden Crocus Saffron Elixir. This was like the tiniest little size, but I have gone through a full size of this previously and I love it so much. It's just so expensive and that's why I haven't repurchased it, but I love the way it smells. I love the way it feels on the skin. It absorbs really, really quickly and I definitely noticed a difference with my skin just feeling like softer and more moisturized when I was using that one. So I recommend it. It's just so expensive. Like it's one of those splurge kind of things that if you're looking for something to splurge on, I would recommend it. Oh, one more. One more thing that I did finish off, and that was the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I love this Ultra Repair Cream. It's another product that I continuously repurchase. And this is just like a little travel size. I like to throw this in my purse for my hands on the go. And that was really easy to finish off as well. Okay, so that's everything that was completed, but I do have several things that are so close to done. Like, I thought about waiting a couple more days to film this because I think I could get them done, but I just decided to go ahead and film it anyway. But I will still be working on getting these products done, so hopefully you'll see them in an empties video soon. But the first thing is from Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Firm X Peeling Gel. This product, every time I go to use this, and I use it about once a week, every time I go to use this, I feel like, okay, this is gonna be the last time I can use it, but it just keeps coming out. So I think I only have 1 to 2 uses left. I don't know though, it's hard to tell with the packaging, but it feels like it's empty. And like I said, every time I go to use it, I'm just like, okay, this gotta be it. But I love this. I would definitely repurchase this in the future. I do have the one from Saturday Skin, which is almost identical. So I've had this a long time, so I kind of want to just use this up so it doesn't get too old, and then I'll use up my Saturday Skin one, but I would definitely consider buying this again. I just think it's a really good formula. It's a really good product. It's great for removing dead skin cells and smoothing out the skin, and it's super gentle. All right, the next thing that I got so close to being done on, this is from Pharmacy. It's the Honey Potion face mask. I have literally 1 use left in here. Like, it is basically gone. I'll show you. There's hardly anything left. Just 1 use left, and that's it. So I might even use it tonight and just get it used up. But I almost made it on this guy, but I really do enjoy this mask. It's really hydrating. It has a weird texture. I mean, it does feel like putting honey on your skin. It's super sticky, but it does warm up when you first apply it, and then, you know, you rinse it away. But I really like the way that it makes my skin feel. It does it's like ultra hydrating, and the next day my skin does feel super soft. I usually like to go ahead and exfoliate first before I go in with that one so that I can really get like in there and moisturize the skin, but I definitely recommend that. All right, the next thing that I got so close to done on, this is from Laneige. It's the water sleeping mask, and this is a deluxe size. This is actually something that I hadn't even introduced you guys to. I pulled it in after I used up one of those other products, but I got really close. Let me open it. Sorry, I got only one hand. She fell asleep in my other arm right down here. You guys can't see her, but she's asleep in my hand. So that's how much I have left. It's like half gone basically. So I don't think that'll take me long to use because it is just a small size, but I didn't quite get through that. I was hoping, since I knew I was going to be ending this soon, when I went to pull this into the project, I wanted something small that I could use up quickly, hoping to get it done before the finale, but not quite. All right, and then the last thing that I got really close on is this here from Ole Henriksen. This is the Blue and Blackberry Enzyme Mask. This is a gel mask, and it's like clear, so I'm not gonna open it because I only have one hand, but also because you can't really see it anyways. It's like a clear gel, but it is about a quarter left, so I probably have maybe 3 to 4 uses left on this. I haven't really used it since my last update, I don't think. If I did, it was only once because I've just been really busy with the move and everything, so unfortunately, I didn't quite get this done, but I hopefully will get through it soon. Since it's so close to gone, I'm just gonna leave this on my bathroom counter, and whenever I feel like masking, I'm gonna go for this one or that other Pharmacy one that I need to use up so that I can get them out of my collection and reduce the amount of masks in my collection because I have a lot. But yeah, I do like that mask. It's discontinued as well though. The next product, this actually also is discontinued. This is the Kate Somerville True Lash. This is a like an eye makeup remover, and it's got more of a like lotion kind of consistency to it. It's more creamy. I don't like this. I've been making myself use it up because I don't like wasting product, and this was kind of an expensive product, but it's just not good. The problem with this is, you know, you put it on your eyelashes, you rub it in, then you remove it with like a cotton round or something like that. My problem with this is it gets in my eyes and gets like a cloudy residue in my eyes, and I just can't hang with it. So I'm actually going to be just getting rid of the rest of what's left in here because I know I'm not going to use it anymore. I prefer the eye makeup removers that are like the liquid ones, like the blue liquid that you shake up. Those ones just work better for me. They don't irritate my eyes, so that's what I'm going for. All right, the next thing that was in the project that I didn't quite get through, this is from Clarins. It's the Lift Define Visage. It's like a deluxe sample. It's a facial serum. I honestly didn't even start using this. I brought it in and thought I would go ahead and just use it up real quick, but I didn't get a chance to start using it. I think I can get through it quickly once I start using it because it's so tiny, but didn't get through that. All right, the next thing is from Caudalie. This is the Premier Crew Eye Cream. This was another thing that I pulled in since my last update to replace one of those empties. And I don't know how much is left in here because of the packaging. It's impossible to see into it. But I can tell you a few nights ago, I got to the point where it wasn't really coming out. So I thought it was gone, but then I started pumping, and I just kept doing that to see if I could get anything else out. And now it's coming out again. So I think it's almost gone, and I just like hit another little pocket. I'm not sure, but I believe it's almost gone. And I have been using this for a while, so I wouldn't be surprised if it is almost gone. Okay, and then the last thing that was in this project, this is the Peter Thomas Roth Irish Moor Mud Cleansing Gel. This is a facial cleanser. And again, it's not a full size, but it is a pretty decent amount. And so it's kind of settling down, but hopefully you guys can see it's to about here right now. So I don't know, a little less than half of it left. I thought that I could get through this, but I haven't been wearing as much makeup, and I only use this on the nights that I wear makeup. After I remove my makeup, I go in with this to give my skin an extra cleanse, but since I have not been wearing makeup consistently, I haven't used it as much, so I do still have quite a bit to use up, but this is the cleanser that I am using right now, so I should get through this in the next month or so. Alright you guys, that was everything that was in this rolling skincare project pan. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this finale. I really enjoyed doing this project. It was my first experience with a rolling project, and I honestly prefer it to a regular project pan now, because I feel like it gives me an extra motivation to get through my products faster. Because the faster I use something up, then I can go and look for something else to bring in, and that's the fun part, is like picking out what products I want to try to use up. So it's almost like a competition with myself, which is my favorite kind of competition. I'm very competitive. So anyway, I really enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it as well, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And I am considering starting another project soon. I just am trying to figure out what I would like to do. So if you have any recommendations, leave those down below. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.